When sunlight meets desert air, the sky becomes a canvas of fire and brilliance. Let us shine like the sunsets in this video. Like the video, subscribe to Altitude Echo, and let's keep exploring the world from above together. The horizon burns with fire, orange, red, and purple woven together like brushstrokes across the desert. Mountains fade into silhouettes, and the city begins to glow as dusk gives way to night. After over 30 years in aviation, I've seen skies across the world. Yet none compare to the drama, the color, and the magic of an Arizona sunset. This isn't just the end of a day. It's a masterpiece painted in light. And it's why I believe Arizona has the best sunsets anywhere. Arizona's dry desert air holds fewer water particles. That clarity lets sunlight scatter more intensely, painting the sky in vivid reds and purples. Dust and fine particles from the desert floor act like prisms. They bend and scatter the light, creating fiery horizons that shift with every season. Wide open landscapes and distant mountain silhouettes give the sky room to perform. With no tall skylines to block the view, the sunset stretches endlessly across the horizon. Every sunset here is both science and art, dust, air, and horizon working together. But beyond the physics, it's the feeling that lingers. Arizona doesn't just end the day, it crowns it with a masterpiece in the sky. Every element of the desert sky works together, air, dust, and horizon blending into a living canvas. It's a reminder that nature's design is both precise and breathtaking. Thanks for watching Arizona's masterpiece in the sky. If you enjoyed it, hit like and subscribe for more journeys above the horizon. And tell me in the comments, where have you seen your most unforgettable sunset?